You all need to keep your cameras on and microphone muted. And in the last class, we were discussing how to, the topic was notice writing. In the last class, we discussed, and I gave you some guiding lines. How will you draft out a notice for an event, notice for a function, and we also discussed what are the types of notice, what is the definition of notice, what should be the format of notice, so there were type 1, type 2, type 3. Today we are discussing the type 3, which means how to draft out a notice for lost and found. Those who are absent, they will have to learn. They will have to recap, ask. So type 1 and type 2 was done for some occasion, for some event. And now we are writing a notice for lost and found. Students who are weak at drafting, students who are weak at writing English should attend the class rigorously. So detail value points. How will you draft out a notice for lost and found? Details of the value points. It means what are the things which are important when you are writing a notice for lost and found. First of all, what is the notice for lost and found? Where do you see such notices? In the newspaper. And can it be on a school or college campus? It can be. Pamphlet? No. Can be in the newspaper. If you have lost something in the office premises or in the campus, you can display this on the notice board. So the first thing is, what do people usually lose? Bags, purse, important documents. Which are valuable. And it is so important that you have to write a notice to recover it. The following points given, the points given below are required while writing notices for lost and found. You can take down the details of. Write down the points what are required. The first is name of the object lost or found. It's not only about objects you have found, but it also includes objects you have lost. Supposing you find somebody's mobile in the classroom. or somebody's purse in the classroom. आपको मिल जाता है कहीं से भी, सड़क पर, क्लास में। तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करते हो उसको? उसको चेक करेंगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू फाउंड एन आईडी, तो मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि किसका है। लेकिन कोई अगर बैग है या कोई पर्स अगर है, एंड इफ यू हैव फाउंड इट इन द कैंपस, व्हाट विल यू डू? कहाँ जमा करोगे? जमा कर दो। ठीक है, आपको मिला, आप उसको उठा करके आप जमा कर देते हैं। अब वहां से क्या एक्शन लिया जाएगा? There can be a notice. उसके हेडिंग में क्या लिखेंगे हम? Lost and found. And what will be the content? Supposing it's a black bag. Color of the bag. What is inside the bag? Yeah. So it is all about things which are lost or things which you have found. Name of the object lost or found. सबसे पहले क्या होगा? The name of the object. Second, date, time, day, where you lost or found it. When you found it. Date. Time. Day. कितने बजे आप खोए? आपने खोया है, आपको याद नहीं है, तो कितने कब खोया है आपने? What time, what date, when you lost or when you found it. Third point is where the place where you lost or found. You found it in room number 1B, 2A. You found it near the elevator. You found it on the staircase on the first floor. You found it on the second floor. You found it in the corridor. You have to specify the place where you found it or where you lost it. How can a person know कि कब खोया पता कैसे चलेगा? वो ट्रेस तय करेगा उसने लास्ट कब देखा है. When I came to the class, yes, the charger was here with me. That was the last time when I saw the charger. So I must have lost it over here. So the place where you lost it or you found it. And brief description or identification, marks, color, size, make, contents, model, etc. किस कलर का बैग था, उसमें कुछ स्क्रैच मार्क्स था, उसका जिप एक खराब था, मतलब everything has to be in detail. Size, which model. And the next point is whom to contact, when and where. Supposing you found this bag which contains a lot of money. Normally क्या होता है? An honest person क्या करता हो? तुम क्या करोगे? लेके चलते बनोगे? कौन क्या जाए? पैसा लेके रख लोगे और बैग फेंक दोगे? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एथिक्स. नॉर्मली पीपल क्या करते हैं? People either they send it to they submit this to the police station, और फिर वहां से एक नोटिस जारी होता है in the newspaper, and whosoever finds it, whosoever has lost it can get it from this place. A suitable gift reward for the person who returns that article or object. And just to motivate people, we say the person who finds it, the person who returns this will be handsomely awarded. Usko inam milega. ये क्यों कहा जाता है? Why this statement is written? That whoever finds it will be handsomely rewarded. हाँ, ताकि मुझे क्या पड़ी है, मुझे नहीं देना है. But then for some motivation, people who returns this will be awarded handsomely, or any amount will be there. And then contact person and designation, class, address, phone number. Or when you want to take it home, any object, any material which you have found, you have taken it home, then you will write your contact number, your address, your name, your designation, that your bag is with me, kindly come and collect it. To whomsoever it concerns, please come and collect your belongings from here. All right, this is the question. You all write out the question. On an outing with your friends, you forgot your school bag. You can change this into college bag. Your college bag. In the cafe coffee, time lounge of the famous DT Mall, Shalimar Bagh. The moment you realized it, you rushed back only to find it gone. Draft a notice to be put on the notice board of the mall. Do you understand? You have gone with your friends to a cafe, a time lounge of the famous DT Mall, Shalimar Bagh. The moment you realize, जैसे पता चलता है कि आपने कहीं खो दिया, छोड़ दिया है, तो आप दौड़ के जाते हैं. You rush back only to find it gone. और जब वहां पहुंचते हैं तो you see that it's not there. Yeah, include your college. Draft a notice to be put on the notice board of the mall. I will not show you the notice. What will you write? If it is lost, you will write lost. If it is found, school bag found. तो किसको किसको मिला है, किसको किसको किसने किसने खोया है? Oh, I do not want to buy my name. Who is this? Somebody please read the lost, school bag lost, college bag lost. यहाँ क्या लिखोगे? सचिन क्या लिखोगे यहाँ पे? वहां लिखोगे कॉलेज बैग लॉस्ट. Somebody read. हाँ.
All are hereby informed that a school bag was lost today at around 3 p.m. in the cafe coffee time lot. It is a black color Adidas school bag. It contains class 12 English and Physics NCERT textbooks, stationery pouch.
You change according to your BCom first semester, second semester. I told you to change the content.
Stationery pouch, school diary of Sant Marks High School and a register.
I told you can change your, convert that into Simage College.
Contains BCom Professional Business English book, textbooks, and pen and pencils, ID cards of Siemens Professional College. That's it. Anybody who finds it, it is requested to inform the undersigned on phone or leave it with the manager of Cafe Coffee Time Lodge. यहाँ पे भी चेंज कर सकते हैं रिसेप्शन
नहीं, रिसेप्शन क्यों देंगे? आप दोस्तों के साथ कहीं गए हैं, वहां आपने सिमज कॉलेज का बैग खो दिया है, उसमें क्या क्या चीजें हैं, और काइंडली ये नोटिस आप लगा रहे हैं कैफे कॉफी के लाउंज में, मॉल में आप लगा रहे हैं, सिमज कॉलेज में नहीं लगा रहे, तो यहाँ नहीं खोया आपने कहाँ खोया है इसको? हाँ, तो फिर
the person returning it to me will be handsomely rewarded.
Did you understand, or can you write this on your own? अभी लिखो. Or can you see the? You can't see. Could you write?
Recording in progress.
The power cut is for a long time. मतलब क्या होता है? Here by informed का मतलब क्या होता है? All are here by informed. इस नोटिस के जरिए सबको इन्फॉर्म किया जा रहा है, ठीक है? Those who are weak at drafting can write this, but then let it be a sample, and you can write other notices also. You can paraphrase and make your own sentences. When you read a content, read it once or twice and then make your own sentences. Because if you continue to copy from the text, you will not improve. Done? Done. Please read. Read.
All are hereby informed that a school bag was lost at around 4 p.m. in the Cafe Coffee Time Lounge, 18 Mall. It is a black leather bag with the logo of CBase. It contains one financial accounting book, one pen, one identity card, and one copy. Anybody who finds my bag, please contact me by my phone number. I will be handsomely rewarded to the person who.
I will be awarded. तुम क्यों अवार्ड होगे? तुम अपने आप को अवार्ड दोगे?
To the person who returned.
तो I will be क्यों बोल रहे हो?
I will. Sorry.
Anybody else? Read.
Yes, ma'am. All are here informed that college bag was lost today at around 2 p.m. in the Cafe Coffee. Okay. All are hereby informed that a college bag was lost today at around 2 p.m. in the Cafe Coffee time log. It is a blue-colored Siska bag. Its contents become professional English and accounts, textbook, stationery pouch, school daddy.
अरे महिमा म्यूट कर दियो तो हम लोग कैसे सुनेंगे? तुम माइक ऑन करोगी तब ना हम लोग सुनेंगे।
Anybody who find it request to inform that understand and call me. It with me, the manager of KF Coffee Time Log, the person returning it to me will be handsomely rewarded. Mahima Kumari.
अरे मैम माइक नहीं है मैम, आवाज इधर आएगा ही नहीं। हेलो।
म्यूट क्यों हुई मैम, पता नहीं क्या है।
अंडरसाइन का मतलब होता है जिसने जो लिखा है, जो नीचे जिसका साइन है। And when I ask you a question, संस्कार, you are off. तुम तभी ऑन कैमरा ऑन करते हो जब तुमको कुछ बोलना होता है तो, और जब कुछ आपको
मैम कैमरा तो कंटिन्यू ऑन है मैम,
हम्म
कैमरा तो मेरा कंटिन्यू ऑन है। जैसे पूछ लीजिए मैम।
नहीं, आई आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन, तुम्हारा कैमरा ऑन नहीं था। So today you've written a notice about something lost and something found.